If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get regular updates of our channel. Mayo is a universal dip that goes well with all kinds of starters. So here we go to see the making of 3 flavorful mayos. Take a mixing bowl and break in 2 eggs into it. Add 1 spoon of sugar and a spoon of salt. Blend it very well for about 2 minutes. And then drip in olive oil or vegetable oil little by little into the mixture as you keep blending it. I personally like the flavor of olive oil as it gives a special flavor to our mayo. Now here it has reached a semi-pasty consistency, so here we are done. Take care to do it slowly as you keep dripping the oil into the mixture and simultaneously blending it to get the consistency of the mayo. Now we are going to make mayo in 3 different flavors. So I am transferring this mayo, plain mayo that we have made today, into 3 different bowls of equal quantity. To start with, it is our mint mayo. So for this we need to take a handful of mint and a handful of coriander with about 2 green chilies and grind it into a paste. Then add in about 2 to 3 spoons of this paste into our plain mayo and mix it well to get our mint mayo ready. Moving on to making the tandoor mayo, here we need to add in a spoonful of curry masala and a spoonful of tandoor masala powder in a cup of plain mayo. Mix it very well to get the tandoor mayo ready. Here the curry masala and the tandoor masala powder are readily available in all stores. Finally, my most favorite, the garlic mayo. For this, let us chop some 5 to 6 pods of garlic into tiny bits and add these chopped garlic pods with some mixed Italian herbs into a plain mayo. This can be of your taste, maybe say a spoonful of mixed herbs. Beat it up very well for a minute and here we go, our garlic mayo is all ready. Are you a vegan? So here we go, this is for you. Add in 125 ml of milk at room temperature, 250 ml of vegetable oil, 2 spoons of lemon juice or vinegar and a pinch of salt. Blend it up very well until you get a smooth and a frothy consistency. So here we go, your vegan mayo is all ready. Our yummy to tummy 3 flavorful mayo is now ready to be served.